welcome to another video. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. It's another cold morning. Yeah. Heading up to Bowling Green. Meet up with Zach and ride with him coming back. And then we're gonna change the colors of his bike. Some of it'll stay the same, but we're gonna add some color. I think right now it's black and gray or silver or whatever color you want to call that. We're gonna change that. Oh yeah, we are. At least that's the plan. That is the plan. We've got the material to do it, put some decal on it, and we got the guy to do that. That would be me. Well, that would be me. I think I can manage to get some decal on his bike. A little fast for the neighborhood, but I highly doubt there's that many kids out here playing in the streets today. It's about 28 degrees. It's not foggy like it was the other morning. Here's a clip of that in case you missed my story on Instagram or Facebook. And if you're not following me there, you should be.
Are you warm?
I am. You care if I sit where you were?
No, I just moved.
Okay.
And you pull it up. I just thought that's your seat.
Yeah, I wasn't counting on it being foggy out.
Oh, is it foggy now?
Yeah, you see the ice?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's real foggy.
All the way from your place to Grove.
Starting around just outside of this side of Benton Ridge.
Yep.
Yeah. Horn works. You see that little ultralight? I mean, see, I think he's crazy. He probably think I would crazy. He would probably think I am crazy. It's all about perspective, huh? That's his passion, this is mine. Either that or it's a frat thing, and, you know, it's a hazing event. Or he lost a bet, right? I doubt it. Well, there's two of them. Okay. I didn't see the other one there. Yep, I ain't making that one. No way to stop. Not on cold asphalt. No, thank you. Yeah, so I met up with Zach. We're gonna hit up to Flatlands Coffee here in Bowling Green. Something about him needing to get warm. That's a good sign. There's people inside. That's a good sign. There's people inside, so I was afraid it was going to be carry out only or something. Okay. Had our coffee at Flatlands, and of course it was good. Love that shop. Well, let's take the little Triumph back and put some different color on it.